What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today, wait a minute, I didn't start that off right. What's up, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Love, KetoBrick.com.
Almost threw you out there, didn't I?
Yeah.
Alright, today we're making yet another Keto Brick based recipe. Shout out to Joe, Keto Culinary Stuff on Instagram. And we are making Keto Brick cookies. We're going to be using the Mocha Keto Brick, but you can use whatever brick you would like. So, ingredients. 1 full keto brick, 3 tablespoons almond flour, 1.5 tablespoons monk fruit, and 1 large egg, half teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon xanthan gum. These ingredients yield these macros.
1,610 calories, 140 grams of fat, 55 grams of protein, and 31 grams of total carbs. I don't even know why we put net carbs up there because everyone should count total anyways, but if you're counting net, then it's 10 net carbs, which breaks down to 78.6% fat, 13.7% protein, and 7.7% carbs.
And this is for how many cookies?
All
cookies?
Yeah.
So this entire batch is yielding these macros.
And it says it should make about 8 cookies, so.
Yeah. So, let's make this thing. Alright, so Crystal's pretty much running this one because I didn't read the directions and she has. She pretty much did everything here. She set up the well, she didn't quite set the cameras, but she got pretty close. She wrote the stuff on the board. So this is Crystal's powwow. What we got, babe?
First of all, you're gonna wanna take this keto brick and tear like a savage.
Tear like a savage.
So.
As savage as you got?
Yeah.
Alright.
And then you're gonna open it up all the way. We're gonna melt this down first. So I suggest when melting down your keto brick that you do this 30 seconds at a time. I don't care what anybody else says. I must say, I think I'm the pro at melting down keto bricks.
Think you're the pro. Why is that?
Because
you're the
it's
best?
my product. And I've probably done it more times than anybody in their entire life.
I don't know. I've melted my fair share of bricks.
Well, maybe besides you, but you do yours the same way.
Alright. So melt down your brick 30 seconds at a time.
Boom.
We're doing that right now.
In the microwave.
In the microwave. By the way, this is a new camera you're looking through right now. So let us know in the comments below if this picture quality is stellar or not.
Stellar.
Yeah. Yeah. Boom! Welcome to the gun show.
This is what we do when our food is warming up.
Alright, we have our melted bowl of keto brick.
Yum!
Batter.
Looks delicious.
Amazing.
All right.
Smells really good.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh! I can't even lick it off my fingers right now.
Why? I'll lick it off your fingers.
All right. So we're gonna just add in all of these ingredients, but the egg.
All the ingredients but the egg.
But the egg. So we're gonna do almond flour first. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of this.
Ready to stir this as we go?
Sure. 3 tablespoons. Perfect. Next, I guess we'll do the monk fruit, which is 1.5 tablespoons. Seems like a lot of sweetener. But I guess people like sweet things. We just don't ever use sweetener generally. So there's 1. We don't have a 1/2 tablespoon, so we're just gonna
Eyeball it.
yes here. All right, and then we're gonna do what was it? Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Oops. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of the xanthan gum. So proud of you for stirring that this time.
Yeah, I'm a highly trained, talented chef.
Yes, yes you are. Boom. So once that's all mixed together, then we can add the egg, but I want to make sure that it's well mixed together first.
Probably didn't need to get a bowl this big.
No, wasn't really sure what it was gonna look like. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and add the egg to it.
Right, whipping this. Whip it. Whip it good. That's a song, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo! It's a large egg, and it's actually a large egg.
Exactly.
By the way, I forgot to mention that we are going to be putting the oven on preheat at 350 degrees. And then we're gonna put them in there in just a second. I'm gonna grab some parchment paper. Wabam.
Wabam.
Grab whatever design you want. And grab the round one. I am not eating any of this, and I'm really sad about it.
She's doing like a strict carnivore hormonal reset thing right now.
I'm really sad about it.
It's okay though, because I'll eat her share.
But if it's actually that delicious, we should just make it for our wedding.
Yeah.
We're gonna make that, the last one we made, we're gonna make the cinnamon soft bites. Isn't that what they're called? Soft cinnamon keto brick bites.
Into a cake.
Yeah.
All right, that good for you?
Looks good to me.
Boom.
So, I guess we can both get our hands dirty.
Go for it. You're so
You're the
much
one
better.
eating this.
Oh, keep moving this. You're so much better at it than me though.
You guys see what he does to me here? It's rude. And it's not even hot. I think the egg cooled it down quite a bit.
So you just bake this at 350?
350 degrees. And we're gonna bake it for about 10 minutes.
10 minutos.
Since I'm the only one who knows how to get my hands dirty around here.
Yeah.
And we're gonna smash these down with our fork, just like you would like a peanut butter cookie.
Ooh, I like that.
I'm gonna probably, do you want it crisscrossed? Or do you want it just...
Yeah, crisscross.
Definitely gonna crisscross it.
Hey, crisscross these.
Beautiful.
And that is what we're looking like right now. Bada bing, bada boom. Stick those in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. We'll holler back at you then. Time to eat these cookies. Alright, so they've been in the oven for 10 minutes at 350. We've got that little bitty miniature oven thing, so I'm not 100% sure it would be the same, but I'm assuming it's pretty close.
Well, yes, it is.
It looks pretty good though.
Ooh, yum.
They're a little soft, so should we let them harden a little bit?
Yeah, you just let them sit for a minute
Let them sit for a minute.
while we talk. So, let's talk about, are we gonna judge these ones?
Yes, we're gonna judge these based off of simplicity. These are super simple.
Yeah.
I mean,
Super simple.
if you've got those ingredients, which most people probably do if you're doing any kind of keto baking, I mean, you melt the brick, mix it up, bake it. I mean, that's probably the easiest cookie recipe ever. And then taste, we don't know yet because I haven't tried it yet. Nutritional profile, I don't put a lot of nutritional weight in like xanthan, is that what it was?
Xanthan gum.
Xanthan gum, baking powder, and almond flour.
Or monk fruit
Yeah.
sweetener.
But this is kind of like more of a sweet treat thing, so it's not really We're not really.
Honestly, we don't really feel guilty ever eating a keto brick. So adding a little bit to it is like just adding on top of like, just make it a little extra sweet.
A little extra sweet. What's the other thing we're judging on?
Price.
Price?
So if you already have a lot of this kind of stuff, it's gonna be super easy. There's only 3 tablespoons of almond butter or almond flour. We don't have almond flour around the house generally, so I had to go out and buy some. I also had to go out and buy the xanthan gum and baking powder because we don't really eat anything but meat around here. So we didn't have any of that except for the monk fruit sweetener because we had used that the last time in the last video. So I can't remember how much I ended up spending because I ended up buying some meat with it too.
It's not a whole lot though.
No.
Not very much at all. Let it cool for one more second. So take this time to say, again, huge shout out to Joe at Keto Culinary Stuff on Instagram. Give him a follow. Every single picture he posts looks delicious.
I love seeing people make these and post them on Instagram and stuff. That's like one of my favorite things.
It is really, really cool.
If you make it, tag us.
Yeah, definitely tag us. Let us know if you like more of these Keto Brick recipes. I'm excited about them.
Yeah.
These are all on the Keto Brick website. So if you go to ketobrick.com, you'll see the recipes there, drawn out and broken down, etc., etc. I think it's good enough for me to eat.
I really want one.
So they're pretty soft still. If you let them harden a little bit longer, they'd be good, but I don't have the patience for that.
It does say good Dunkin' cookies. What? So good. I'm so jealous right now.
Those are really good, yo.
Can I see the texture? Oh yeah, that looks, oh, oops. That looks really good.
That's what we're looking like for the texture right there. Pretty good, pretty soft. This is still when they're warm, but it looks as good as it tastes. So on the taste factor, I'm gonna have to give this thing like what do you think?
By the smell, I'm gonna say a 10.
Yeah, it's pretty good, y'all. I'm not normally a cookie guy. I don't normally eat a lot of cookies, but this is really good. I can totally get down with this.
I'm pretty sure this would heal my hormones, right?
Yeah, you wanna try it?
Yeah.
Go for it.
I can't.
All right. Good stuff. Good eating. Thanks again, Joe. See y'all next time. Have a great one. We love y'all. You know, we love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.